Hey, what is up, Internet? Hey, what's up, Internet? It's TJ here, and today we're going to talk about Instagram, and more specifically, Instagram Reels, and also like why you should be using Instagram Reels right now. So, if you want more videos if you want to stay updated with videos like this, and also updated in what I'm doing as far as tips and tricks for Instagram, social media, and all that, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also leave me a comment down below if you have any suggestions or things that you want to hear or tips that you would like about Instagram specifically. And what we're going to do is we're going to dive into Instagram Reels. If you didn't know, Instagram Reels just started not too long ago, and actually my wife got tipped off to when they would actually be doing Instagram Reels before it actually released, so she was able to get a sneak peek of Instagram Reels before it actually came out. And we were kind of checking it out, and we were like, oh, this is exactly like TikTok. Well, you know, Instagram has been known to do that for quite a few other different programs. And what I want you to do is just to think about using Instagram Reels, because it's really helped out a lot, actually. And anytime, this is the first tip that I want to give you, anytime that you see a program or any type of platform give a new like just feature on that platform, you want to make sure you jump on it and you use it and find ways that you can, make that work for what you're trying to do. So we're gonna hop into IG real quick, and actually I actually was able to get a lot more subscribers, followers on IG from making some Instagram Reels. So let's go look at our Instagram Reels. If you don't have Instagram Reels on your IG, you probably just need to update it. But you just kind of toggle over to your IG Reels. It's that little button right there. And here you can see what my IG Reels are looking like. And my first IG Reel was just literally me using one of the features, the age feature. And that video got 107,000 views. And then my next video was just a little fun video that I put together that got 631,000 views and counting. And the video after that got 170,000 views. And the video after that I just posted yesterday actually got 40,000 views in one night. I actually posted it last night, so a lot of people are just now seeing it for the first time. And if you're thinking about these numbers, I mean, you go back to look at some of my other videos that I posted on IG. The video here, this has 7,000 views, and I have videos that I've posted before that has 13,000 views, but that's nowhere near what my IG Reels are doing and the numbers that they're doing, which is, it just shows you that, when there's a lack of content in a specific area, you can be the first to jump on it and actually get exposed and actually be, be discovered by a lot more people. So using that new feature is super important and be very helpful for you to actually be able to like get more exposure. All right, so back to IG Reels. So how do you actually post an IG Reel? So what you do is you actually just go to the button at the very top, and then over here you can see the stories have changed up quite a bit. You have some different options to the left, and then you have some options at the bottom. You want to swipe over to Reels, and then you want to start creating your reel. Just hit the little button here and you start creating that reel, just like you do on TikTok. If you've been on TikTok, you know how to do this anyway, so it's the same thing. The problem with IG Reels right now is that a lot of people aren't able to use the music feature, and I haven't been able to use it, but it goes on and off sometimes. That's something that they will probably need to fix. But what I've been doing is taking my TikTok videos and just posting it on IG Reels. So you can actually just do what you do on TikTok and just save it to your phone. Come in here, click that little button there to go see what you have saved. Click on the video, and then actually just post it. So you just press the next button to go to post. Next, write some caption there, blah, blah, blah. And then what you want to do is you can either share it to only Reels or also share it to your feed. Now, sharing to your feed will allow people in your feed, in your network, to just see that video right off the top. A lot of people won't really see the reels. I'm not sure if that just shows up in the feed while you're scrolling. So I like, right now I've been sharing it to my feed. I've been posting my normal stuff, but also posting my reels to there. That just helps increase the exposure a little bit, in my opinion. So then after that, you just press share, and then that will share it to your IG reels. Now you can also share it to your stories by pressing stories over here and just press share to stories. But I would suggest making sure you share it and make sure that you're making reels as much as possible, and also just trying to gain and get that exposure to IG by just using some of the new features that are on there. You can do the same thing with pretty much any platform, but as soon as you see a new feature, make sure you hop on it. If you have any questions about what we just talked about today, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.